Hello, I am Sarah from Menasim Technical Support. In this video, I will explain how to install eSIM on an iPhone device. Please don't forget to install your eSIM before your trip and activate it on arriving at your destination. Please check if your iPhone device is eSIM compatible on the link listed in the description box below. Before starting the installation, please ensure that your device has a stable internet connection, preferably a Wi-Fi connection. To install your eSIM on iOS 17.4 or later via QR code, open your Menasim application and tap on the My eSIM icon. Then proceed with the following steps. Open your eSIM package. Tap on View Instructions. Optionally, you can download the installation guide containing all necessary instructions. Tap on Add eSIM for iOS 17.4 or later. A QR window will open. Touch and hold the QR code. Then tap Add eSIM. Tap Allow to activate your new eSIM. Tap Next. Tap Continue. Allow some time for the eSIM to activate. Tap Done. Please configure the following settings. Set default line to primary. Tap Continue. Set iMessage and FaceTime to primary. Tap Continue. Set mobile data to My eSIM. Allow mobile data switching is defaulted to off. Choose your preference using the toggle Tap Done. Allow mobile data switching will allow your device to use mobile data from both lines depending on coverage and availability. You can change your selection later in settings. The eSIM is now installed and configured. On arrival, please activate your eSIM. Go to Settings. Tap Mobile Cellular Data. Select your eSIM. Move the toggle switch to on. Don't forget to turn on data roaming after install. Please note, data roaming must be enabled in order for the eSIM to work. Thank you for allowing us to be a part of your adventure. We look forward to welcoming you back soon. Until then, safe travels and endless exploration.